What's up, my beautiful butterflies? It's your girl Ryan, and I'm back with another video, period. So today's video, we're going to be doing this beautiful icy blue eyeshadow halo look. I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so let's jump right into the eyeshadow. So out of the 35S Sweet Oasis palette by Morphe, we're going to grab Hidden Cove, and we're going to go in the outer corner, the inner corner, and then along the top of the crease, and we're going to leave the middle lid alone. The Sweet Oasis 35S palette is the only one that we're going to use this entire look. So let's get the Snorkel Sesh color, and we're going to put that on the outside of the dark blue, and that's just going to help us to blend the edges out. Now go back in with Hidden Cove and kind of darken whatever was lost when we were adding the light blue color on top. Okay, so grab a wipe and just clean off the middle, just so we can give the white base that we're about to put down some cleared out room. Clear some room. All right, now we're taking Sister P. Louise, and we're just going to put some of her on the back of our hand, get a flat brush, and just fill in the area that we cleaned up. Right here, I'm just taking a brush that has no eyeshadow on it, a fluffy brush, and just blending out the harsh edges of the white base. So I'm going back in with Snorkel Sesh, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of the outer corner, and then the other inner part of the inner corner. But you'll see what I'm doing, because then it don't make sense, because as I'm saying it doesn't make any sense. But we're basically creating a gradient, and we're just going from darker to lighter in the middle, and that's how you create the halo look. Right here, I'm realizing that I really like the color next to it. That's called Sail Away. So I've gone back and forth between Snorkel Sesh and Sail Away. Sail Away is just a little bit deeper than Snorkel Sesh, and my son's feeding me, so don't laugh at my little donut I just ate. But yeah, both those together create, like, you know, the perfect color for this look. So right here, I'm going back in with Hidden Cove and just blending out the edges and putting back any color that we've lost. I realized that I was accidentally taking Secret Lagoon, that darker greenish bluish color, and I really like how that looks, so we're gonna add that in the outer corners. So now we're gonna fill in that lighter spot that's left. I'm taking the color Coastline Cruise, and when I was taking pictures, I ended up taking Island Hop, which is at the top. I ended up putting that on top of that as well, and it's just a little bit more of a seafoam color. It's a lot lighter. So yeah, we're just gonna take Coastline Cruise and Island Hop, two shimmery colors, and put that in the middle. So makeup, the key to get a flawless eyeshadow is to make sure that your colors are blending together. So I'm just going back in with Sail Away and Snorkel Sesh to blend that in. So for right now, we're going to put the eyeshadow palette away. Everything is pretty much done with that. As far as how I do my eyeliner, I really just follow the shape of my eye and I don't hesitate. I just go for it. If I am about to draw a line, I'm drawing that line, period. And I'll fix it later. So that's how I just do my eyeliner real smooth like. So now I'm just doing my foundation routine. If you've watched my other videos, which you should stop this video. I know we're at the end, but stop this video and go look at the other videos, because in those videos I'm talking about what I'm using on my face. But this is just going to be the rest of the makeup, foundation routine, contour, highlight, all that stuff. So just enjoy the music and then I'll chime back in later when we're all finished. So if you've gotten this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. And yeah, I thought I had something else to say, but I don't think so. That is just beautiful, y'all. That is just so beautiful. Oh, I did want to say, when I was taking pictures, I added that dark blue underneath my waterline, and just to add a little bit more color under there. But other than that, that's it. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.